Hey everyone, welcome back to AWESMR Pop. Today I'm super excited to be going on an AWESMR safari. Our guide should be here shortly. Oh, there he is. Hi, Tracker.
Hola! Are you ready to visit the safari? There's so many wild animals to see. I can't wait.
Me too.
Then let's go. Vamos!
Wow, look at all the animals we'll see today. This lion is huge. Uh-oh, is that a snake in the tree? This is going to be such a fun day of adventure and learning. Safari actually means a trip, or to travel. You take a safari to visit the wild animals in their natural habitat. You'll see them drinking from the streams, sunbathing on the rocks, eating from trees, and just observing their daily life. Today we'll see a lion, tiger, zebra, and birds.
This is the lion. The male lion's roar can be heard 5 miles away. You can tell the males from the females because the males have manes. Can you go make the lion a mane?
I'm on it. Let's twist together yellow and red to make the lion's mane. Time to push down. I reloaded it with more Play-Doh. Now he has beautiful hair. He looks fabulous.
Now that's a mane fit for a king. Let's go to the tiger next. Tigers are the largest cats in the world. Unlike lions, they prefer to hunt alone. Can you give the tiger its stripes?
Sure can. Let's use black. On the other side, there's a mold for a Band-Aid. Sometimes tigers can get boo-boos while hunting. Let's patch them up. On this side, we have a mold for a little mouse. Let's mix together white and black to make gray. Here's our tiny little mouse. He'll hang out with our tiger friend. Tigers have large paws. Let's see them on the sand. Oh, here comes a zebra. Let's use white and black to make one. They have stripes to confuse their predators. When zebras band together, it's hard for the predators to see where one starts and the other ends. A group of zebras is called a herd, and they travel together to find food and water. When they run into other herds, they join together to form a super herd. This could be up to thousands of zebras. They're social animals and will protect each other, all for one and one for all. Over here we have a bird. Let's make some feathers. I think I'll make a parrot. I'll first roll out some red Play-Doh. Let's use the mold they gave us. This doesn't look like a parrot yet, but just wait till I add the head and the beak and then all of the pretty feathers. Let's layer on the feathers. Check out the bird! Its feathers are so colorful and beautiful. Now this parrot is off to scavenge for fruit, nuts, seeds, buds, flowers, and insects. In the safari, there's many trees to feed the herbivores. Herbivores are animals that eat only plants. Down here we have so many molds. Let's make them. Time to flip them around. Let's add more leaves to the trees. Snakes love to hide in trees. Let's make a yellow one. I'll add some eyes. And some orange spots. And we're finished! That was an amazing safari tour! We saw so many animals and learned so many fun facts about them.
I hope you enjoyed your safari. Gracias for helping all the animals. Come back to see them soon. Adios!